Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The Dental Association is raising fresh concerns about the illegal and harmful practice of fake dentistry across the island. The matter was again raised at a recent dental conference in the West. As we hear in this report from Romardo Lyons, the Dental Association says there's need for more dental surgeons, especially in rural areas.
Regulating the industry has been like pulling teeth. Unqualified and uncertified individuals continue to pose as dentists, an issue the Dental Council of Jamaica says has become popular over the last couple of years. Vice President of the Dental Association, Dr. Leslie Davis, says not only is this a serious issue, but also a criminal one.
If caught, you could face fines and you could even be imprisoned. So this practice is very worrisome for our profession, especially as it relates to patient safety, because when somebody is unable to diagnose disease, when they're not au fait in terms of practices of good infection control, disposing of what needs to be disposed of, not reusing certain aspects of what we use when we're practicing our dentistry, then of course patient safety comes into question.
The trouble areas continue to be veneers, teeth whitening, and fake braces. Dr. Davis warns that if someone is going into your mouth, you should be using your eyes.
Persons who pull up in a car or operate like in not a proper dental office should sort of raise concerns about whether this is an appropriate place for you to get that level of care.
Not because a person is wearing a white coat or a person is advertising, I do braces, I do veneers, mean they are licensed to do so.
Anything else to drill the point home will require the government stepping in.
That's really up to legislation from the government. All we can do as an association or a body is to just encourage the government to put certain things in place to protect the people of Jamaica, because the truth is, it's doing harm.
Others argue that it's a cavity eating away at the dignity of the profession.
And it's very disheartening to know that the dental professionals who are licensed has spent so much time and effort to study and get the right training that is needed to provide adequate training and implement better health services for the patients, and it just diminishes our credibility as dentists.
For dental surgeon Dr. Fenton Ferguson, the number of illegal practitioners has been slashed over the years.
The truth is, when I look back 40 years, we have significantly decreased those numbers. Even one is too much, but we have decreased those numbers by dental education and public education. Persons begin to know, especially in the deep rural areas, the difference between a quack and a dental surgeon.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.